An Instagram influencer is going viral after an epic bleach fail where she used a relaxer on her hair pretty much right after bleaching it. That's bad. Thankfully, the whole thing was caught on video because this Instagram influencer was live streaming while she was doing the treatment, and the video is, how you say, delicious. Welcome back to InformOverload. We tell you the news and we make it entertaining. My name is Charlotte and I want you to tell me down there in the comments, if you could dye your hair any color, what would it be? I've always wanted to try pink hair, but I've never dyed my hair and my mom told me that she would kill me if I ever dyed it, so I probably never will. But give me your responses down there in the comments, and for now let's talk about Lori Faith. Another day, another hair fail, but this hair fail was caught on video. 18-year-old Lori J. Faith is an Instagram influencer with about 59,000 followers. She regularly changes her appearance by trying out different hair colors. Here she is with yellow hair, bright red hair, blue hair. You get the idea. There are plenty of people who regularly change their hair colors and plenty of people who do it themselves to save money. But if you're regularly using bleach and changing your hair color often yourself, you're probably going to experience a fail every once in a while. And this fail was documented on an Instagram live stream. Several days ago, Lori was live streaming on her Instagram account when she added a relaxer to her bleached blue hair. She bleached it and dyed it blue, and then she tried to use a relaxer. In case you were wondering, it was not very relaxing. So if you're not an expert on hair, relaxer is a chemical that comes in a cream form that reduces your hair's natural curl and it changes the texture so that it's straighter and easier to manage. But relaxer is also a very harsh substance. And guess what? So is bleach. Would definitely not reco using a relaxer until a few weeks after bleaching your hair, and several of Lori's fans also warned her not to do this, but Lori didn't want to wait. Don't you just love millennials? So while Lori's live streaming on her Insta, she's combing her hair with a relaxer in it. But the comb was gathering these huge chunks of her hair as it fell out. The relaxer also took the blue out. You could see the relaxer start to strip the blue out of her hair. Truthfully, it was worth it though, at least for me, because her expression was priceless. Lori then went into the shower to try and wash the chemicals off, and she took her phone with her so we got to watch the whole thing unfold, but it was too late. And yep, she's bald! Lori followed up the experience with a YouTube video called "My Hair Fell Out and Now I'm Bald." Thankfully, Lori didn't have super long hair to begin with. She had very short hair before she bleached it, so being bald isn't too much of a change for her. I personally think black girls and mixed girls that are bald or have like buzz cuts look amazing. It's also easier to wear wigs and switch up your looks that way if you're bald, and Lori already posted new pictures of herself wearing wigs. Like this one where she's wearing a pink wig, caption, "Yeah, I'm bald, but I can still take your mans." So I guess no serious harm done. It's hair, so it grows back, and this epic fail helped Lori go viral, so there's a plus. But this could have been much worse. She could have gotten chemical burns or like scars, and there's a chance that your hair won't grow back after this because, you know, if you have scars, hair doesn't really grow on scars. So might have grown back like kind of patchy, which isn't that cute in my opinion. Lori doesn't feel too bad about this because, like, surprise, she's cute and her followers were pretty supportive and told her that she looked good bald. So guys, if you're really into dyeing your hair yourself, use Lori's experience as a lesson. Don't put relaxer in bleached hair, especially not shortly after bleach. If you want to do chemical treatments, go to a profesh. That is short for professional. Now that that's settled, let's read out some of your comments, shall we? Out of the random said, "I really can't come up with something creative to say." That's all I have to say to that. Truman Production said, "Don't you have a top 10 channel?" Yes we do, but news outlets do lots of lists, all the time actually, so we will be doing lists once in a while. Luigi said, "I enjoy watching you so much, I now sit through all your ads." I love you. I'm just imagining that you have cheeks right here and I'm squishing them. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Kitty said, "I'm going to middle school, any advice?" Honestly, run. Kidding. Carla the Nice said, "How come I'm always early and I always have the bell on but never get a shout out?" Carla the Nice, I'm pretty sure it's because we get hundreds of comments every single day and it's not humanly possible to feature every single one of those hundreds of comments in every video. But you were just featured, so that's pointless. To everyone else who's complaining about not being featured, try harder. Okay, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. If you want to keep watching, check out this playlist, and obviously like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next IO video.